Hello and welcome. This is Detective Lazaria. And today's quick session, I'm going to see if my beloved FiFi can join me and any of the little children that like to hang out and play. So bedtime is coming up here. I thought we have a little quick chat. Hi. And maybe play. So we got things to play with. As you can tell, someone might be using that REM pod. We also have the ghost motion detector by the water bowl. 3 clear cat balls that you can light up. Hi. 3 clear cat balls that you can light up. And a bell. Hi. Is this you? FiFi? Could be. She's probably yelling at me. Mommy, get to bed. Go to bed, Mom. Stop talking to the spirits. Go to bed. We'll still be here. Go to bed. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Or were you just saying, hey, Mom, I'm here. Miss you, Mom. Love you, Mom. So again, just thought I'd see if she wants to come through. But she may be. And here's another random photo of me and her. Cuddle time. So I'm going to turn on the Spirit Talker app and see if she can use that to speak. Hopefully some stuff definitely will come through and make sense. Here's another photo of us. Another photo of us. And last but not least, another photo of us. Just us hanging out. Me trying to take some selfies with her.
Better watch out.
Oh, maybe it's FiFi saying, hey, to a spirit, better watch out. I'm here.
Woods.
Well, I mean, sometimes she would put, I like the forest. So she could be trying to give clues that she's here, like the woods. We'll see.
Here.
So you're here? So she's informing me she is here. Just picking the right moments to utilize the tools up here. Yep. She's here. Here, Mom. See? And all right, I know you're here now. I already knew you were here. I just, again, can't see you. When you were physically here, I was able to know where you were. But now that you're a spirit, you get to hide. And you probably have met many other spirits that have tried to help. And hopefully they've been giving you good pets.
Paranoia.
Yes, it was kind of nice having you be here physically. You helped me when I wasn't feeling too well with my sanity. And I had a feeling of paranoia. You would be my comfort. I would squeeze you and hold you and cuddle with you. Now I had to resort to a stuffed animal. Hi. She's like, yes. So I resort to that one now, temporarily. I'm waiting for the cat distribution system to work its system, or its magic. I don't know what they do, but a kitten or, yeah, basically a kitten will come to us and we'll take care of them. And it'll be because my family gave it to me, or FiFi gave it to me. Because she's like, I know you're ready, Mom. Here you go. But I guess not ready yet. I even went to like a pet store, and there's all these kitties, and I'm like, I can't dare. No, it wasn't a pet store. It was the animal shelter. That's right. We were donating our food, and somebody was adopting a kitten, and I was like, yeah, not really, fortunately, here to adopt. I just was dropping off food. Like, congratulations on your kitty.
Keep going.
Oh, well, anyways, that gentleman, again, had some thing where he looked very similar, the two kittens that were there, and the volunteer wasn't too sure of if it was a female or a male, and I was like, well, the only way to find out is you gotta lift the tail. And then, eventually you'll see. So I helped him. Pretty sure that we definitely picked the right one. Forgot the name already. I think it was like Bella. Belle. Belly? Or is it Bella? Anyways. So, I just happened to have FiFi's CD diet. Never opened. Unfortunately, I bought it in hopes that she would actually open up. And then I would see her eating.
Sir.
Yes, it was a man that was adopting the kitty. And basically, instead of letting it sit and sadly expire in the closet, I brought it to the shelter for anybody who needed it. So hopefully it went to good use. Because if I used it and gave it to the cats or the animals out there, it would be like raccoons and skunks taking it. I'm like, nope. Anyways, I don't know, just to keep going. I'm trying to go with the story. So she said here, and the REM pod's been quiet. And then as soon as it says, oh, so you're going to let me know you're here with the tools?
Do you like Satan?
I'm not going to answer that one. Because you already know the answer. Hi. Good Lord. Is this FiFi playing with me? She's totally playing with me. She's like, she hates it when these things get spewed. I'm going to put it on here. She already knows the answer. No. But I just thought it was funny because I was just talking how it's been quiet on the REM pod. And then she put here, like, oh, I'm here. I'll prove to you that I'm here, REM pod. And then I just talked about the REM pod again. And then she's like, yeah, I'm still here. Just, staring right at your eyes and you can't tell. No, I can't. So apparently she has a nickname. Hi. Don't know if you'll be able to spew it in this session, but they don't have your name, not even Fiona. And I was like, oh, that's just a bummer. If only it did, yeah. But she happened to gain a nickname. And since I've been seeing that nickname, that's like the first thing that I think of is her, of course. Even though it could be somebody talking about the word that she's using as her nickname. And this is me. Oh, Fifi, you're here.
You are nice.
Thank you. Of course I am. Me. I'm nice. I'm silly. Strange. She's like, I can totally validate that, Ma. Been with you for 17-ish years. You are very much strange.
Lost.
Oh, is that what you're referring to me? I'm a lost soul? Is that why you had to be someone to help me? Were you someone, like, did the upper ones up there gravitate you to me or me to you so that way you can help me not be so lost? Lost in life, which is probably true. I was going through some things. Yeah. 2008. I was starting a new life, new job. Well, not at that time, but around that time. And I think, yeah, I was there. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, I remember now. Are you kidding me?
Joshua.
Yeah, he also helped me. Did you guys gravitate me to him too? Family? So apparently I met this young man, his name's Joshua, at an animal shelter. This was before I had, of course, FiFi. And I was just, looking to see kittens.
Florence.
Well, now you're just naming a bunch of names. Hold on. And apparently, I was just, at the time they were allowing you to be in a little room, like a kitty corner. And I happened to see him and I was like, hey. And he came in and we just talked for a bit. And then before you know it, we were able to, we got to communicate. Each time not each time, but whenever I visited, I would see him, and then we hung out maybe 2 or 3 times, just as friends, of course. That's all we were, just friends. And yeah, and he just, was a cool guy. And we're still friends. He's now happily married. As his nickname would be Superman. Again, okay, I'm gonna just one day.
I am Bellatrix.
One day, I'm gonna remove that thing off of that app. I want that out of the word bank. I am Bellatrix, and Bellatrix needs to go. Ugh. Anyways, gets a little irritating, doesn't it? Doesn't it, FiFi? She's already seen that come through during my other session. Good lord. Anyways, that's what I feel. I feel like the upper ones, family members that have passed, or even before that, were trying to, push me to find these people or find the animal to help me be unlost and then become who I became. And I don't know anybody named Florence that helped me, so I think it's just a random name. Not random, not tied to the thing that we're talking about.
He'll get you.
Like when I pass away, somebody like a male figure will be there. Not just FiFi, but someone else. It is? Oh?
There's bad here.
Really? Interesting how it says there's bad here. Well, FiFi, you know what to do. I give you permission. Use all the claws. But, yeah. Use those claws. Rawr, rawr. Get out of here. If there is, unfortunately, something not welcome here, you got the permission from me to take care of them. Because you don't mess with my mama. Grr. But I was just thinking, there is things where when it says he'll get you, I was thinking a more better approach of it. Like if I pass away, this male figure, a grandpa or an uncle or a cousin will be there to greet me, or a boyfriend or something. Not like an evil demonic thing coming at me. Or maybe that one will be there. Who knows? I mean, it would be interesting if they were to say another name. Oh, shoot.
I'm afraid for you.
Huh? Well, I got Evelyn. Hey, I'm gonna summon my spirit guide Evelyn. I think FiFi needs some assistance to protect me from something not pleasant here, if there is. I mean, it's been kind of like a little off, because we got somebody who had to say, "Do you like Satan?" And then he'll get you. There's bad here. I'm afraid for you. So again, if you could help me and FiFi take away this unfortunate negative energy out, that'd be great. Thank you in advance. Oh,
Nan.
Maybe Boogeyman 007's Nan's trying to help me too now. She's like, "You are such a nice person. I'm going to help you too." Or just, again, repetitive spew. All right, well, again, I don't know. It was just going to be just me hanging out with some, local spirits that hang out that are kids, and then, of course, my beloved FiFi. And I got this interesting possible conversation going on with something. Always.
Always.
You're always here with me, FiFi. Can you REM pod it? Beep, click. You're saying you're going to always be here for me? Or bonus capital? Or she's always protecting me? Like, that could be it too. She's like, I've been, when you don't see it, oh, ye were, yeah.
I was so sick.
She was. That's definitely her coming through again. So if you haven't seen some of the sessions that I had done with her, the very start of it, unfortunately, after she had passed, I did do a session. And that was one of the first few things she would say was sick, or I was so sick. And she was. So just prior to her passing, she got unfortunately sick, as well as some other stuff down below, with the bladder, kidney, unfortunately, and her tummy. So I think it is her just trying to say, yep, I'm here. And I'm sure she is always protecting me, watching over me. So even though we physically can't, that's some strong stuff going on in that EMF meter. She's coming through in the EMF meter for sure. Oh man, I got distracted by that EMF meter going super strong. Aww, again.
You are a gift.
We thank you. Again, I don't know what gift I have. Like a special gift, they say. My kindness. My determination. My lovable soul. Oh.
Rat torture.
Again. The EMF is okay. So, okay, now that she's a spirit, she can actually take care of spewing. Basically, we don't seem to have any active rats anymore, and it's been a while. Knock on wood. Hold on. That's me knocking on my table. Again, we haven't had really like intense scurrying in the walls. I don't know if she's been helping or it just, finally we got them taken care of. So
Francis.
Oh, I was just about to say, hey, it's the monk, but no, it's ES. So hi, Francis. Hey. I did do a couple sessions where I've met some Francises that are females. Maybe you're popping in. Oh, there is Florence. That's right. Florence is a little girl that unfortunately drowned. That was one of the spirits I did learn about. And I feel like they can come and go. Then we learned about a young girl as well named Florence. Again, a unique headstone. I forgot the story now. There's many Florences that are young. So it could be somebody hanging out with FiFi. Because she might like cats. And she's like, ooh, you got a kitty? I'm here. And same with Francis. Again, there could be a young Francis here or a woman that loved cats too. If there are spirits here that love cats, any way you can tap a cat ball? Or ring the bell? Or EMF meter? Is FiFi distracting them again? She's like, hee hee, I'm getting pets.
It's me making sounds.
Yeah, so when I hear random sounds that are unexplained, it's you. So over there in the dresser, I heard something make like a ting ting ting. And it was very loud, metalish sounding. And I'm like, what the heck sounds like metal over there? Or maybe, sorry, what's made out of metal that would make that sound? And I couldn't find it except maybe the batteries. They're in the little bowl. May have like a domino effect. You know, one fell, the other one fell, the other one fell. So basically something shifted in that area, but I didn't feel the earth shake, so I don't know. That could be her. I've heard some sound like a thump, as if somebody was jumping up or jumping down from that dresser after she had passed. And I was like, oh,
Yes, that's right.
okay. So maybe you jumped on that dresser and it was just enough to make that trickle effect of those batteries that are in the bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and get up so people can see what I'm talking about. Hold on. Yep. Okay, so there's the bowl. She didn't have that bowl at the last few years of her life, but she had that bowl a couple times at another place. Anyways, it's basically this. So I'm wondering if it was like she jumped up here and this basically made you know, hit this, and just made a little 3 clicking sounds of metal. So she just put, yep, that's right. All right, now I'm going to go back. Nobody's been setting off the ghost motion detector by the water bowl. That's okay. Sorry, I'm just getting my pillows so I can put my arms back where they belong. Yeah, so yay, thank you for helping clarify that was you. I'm sure you probably didn't mean to do it, but you're probably like, oop, I've been caught. And I'm sure you were like, look at her. Oh, well, I don't know about that one.
Betrayal.
So again, not everything coming through will make sense as I'm going along with the story here. So it could just be repetitive spews, just pushing them through. So, I don't know. Feels like she's here. And then she's probably taking moments to gain energy from the light sources or the water bowl to either do the REM pod or the EMF meter. Someone did do the capel earlier in a failed attempt. I just don't know if it was her or what, but it said animal on the spirit talker when I asked if it was an animal. And it said animal. I'm like, okay. And you could probably guess which one it was. Oh, I just realized that wasn't.
You should come back.
I should? You mean like go to bed and do a future session with you again? In a couple days, weeks? Or it's FiFi saying to the spirit that just popped in, it's my session, you're going to have to come back later. Well, I'm wondering what other things that were unexplained that could have been her. Again, your collar bell, heard that once. Also your cat meow, heard that once. I heard a footstep, but I think it was the spirit I was having a session with.
Susan.
Yes, what about her? Is Boomer here? Is Boomer here for Susan? FiFi, does Boomer want to say hi to my mom? or Bobby. I forget, Bobby. Does Bobby or Boomer want to talk to or say hi to my mom? With a quick REM pod, cat ball? I'm sure they're keeping a watchful eye on her as well. So we lost our beloved dog named Boomer just a bit ago. And of course, we lost the beloved horse a long time ago, 1996. But I think he's been keeping a watchful eye on her for many, many, many years. Walk left.
Walk left.
La la la. Yep, that's where he is, the station. So, again, could be Bobby. Yep, it's Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Hi. So I'll tell Mommy you said hi. Or should I say nay? Bobby says nay. Yeah, Bobby says nay. And apparently he has a story to tell you, Mom. Or even a novel. I wish I knew Morse code. I feel like he's trying to tell her something, like a message to her. Is this a message to her and I'm totally not getting it? Wow. So apparently, my mom's beloved horse is a very powerful spirit. They can definitely make... Oh.
No, not here.
Boomer? Oh, maybe they're referring to, is my mom here? No. She's downstairs, asleep. Otherwise, if you're referring to, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, it's hard to say if it was a spirit trying to say, no, not here, as in Bobby's not here. But it just, the way that the activity was with the REM pod seemed like it said walk left, aka show the left side where his station is. I have nothing of Boomers over there. And then I was like, yeah, your stuff, and then like REM pod. So maybe again, I think Boomer's laying on top of my mom spiritually. And of course, I don't think Bobby can do that. It's kind of strange. So again, do you know if Boomer's hanging out with my mom at the bed by her side? Yeah? Okay. So again, that makes sense. That totally makes sense. It's kind of like when I take a nap or sleep, my FiFi's on my side.
It's dangerous.
Ah, yeah. So unfortunately, she does have some mobility issues, and it's dangerous for her to, walk without at least someone nearby. Yeah, are you guys keeping an eye on her? Making sure she's, staying upright?
She's over there.
Exactly. She's over downstairs sleeping with Boomer. I mean, Boomer's with her. Yeah. So, Bobby, I think Fifi's telling you. She's over downstairs if you want to go trot yourself down there and just stare. Yeah, that's what Fifi's saying. You can go, you big horse. Get out of this.
Opposite.
Oh. Oh. Now I'm getting lost. Me? She's over there. Me? Or the other animal? Boomer's here. Oh, wait, I'm confused. I'm so confused now. Even the viewers are going to get confused. Anyways, it's just kind of funny how they're just talking. She's over there. And I'm like, yeah? Anyways. Well, someone's here trying to use the REM pod. No Capel. Again, this did go off during a failed session. But oh my god, it's almost, okay, yeah, I gotta wrap it up. Fifi, Bobby, or Boomer, or all three. I gotta wrap it up. Whoever else is here. Again, it wasn't supposed to be a very, very long session, and I gotta get ready for bed. I did not see the time until now. So, yep, as usual, I fail to get to bed when I'm supposed to. Maybe if she was here physically, it might be like, no, I want to cuddle with my kitty. Yeah. Dang it. She's like, uh-huh. She's like, I've been using this device this whole time. Like she said, she's like, I bet you if I was physically here, she would totally be in bed, not speaking to spirits at almost 3 in the morning. Yeah.
Positivity.
Exactly. She would give me that feeling of love, joy, and comfort just being there in bed with her. And I would want to, get to bed early so we had lots of extra cuddle time. And then to the point where I wouldn't want to get up. I'd be like, no, just, 15 more minutes. Another 15 more minutes. Oh.
What's in your hand?
Well, hopefully it's the iPad and nothing else. It's what I'm filming on, which I'm going to have to unfortunately end this session. But yeah, maybe I can do a quick off-camera session with, whoever's still here. But I have to go to bed. All the devices have to get turned off. And yeah. Okay. Is there any way you can say goodnight with the REM pod, Fifi? I'm not sure what goodnight is in Morse code. Or you can just do it and just say, night. Capel? Maybe? Capel? Like, go to bed. Or make sounds in the corner where the bed is. Okay. Last word, phrase. That's going to get spewed and I have to go. Of course I would say that.
You are limitless.
Of course. But not that limitless where I can't, get some beauty rest and recharge myself. So that's what she's got to do, this Detective Lazaria. All right? I love you, girl. Thank you, Fifi. Hi, Bobby. Thanks for stepping in. And whoever else did, too. Hi. Thank you again. I gotta go. All right. This is your detective, Lazaria, signing out. Peace, love, and eternity. Bye.